Alere. We're empowering people by putting them on a faster path to the best care. Welcome to the Alere Cholestech LDX System Overview Demonstration. This self-paced training includes valuable resources that can guide you in the operation of your system. For complete instructions for use, Alere recommends that you review the instruction manual provided in the system kit. The Alere Cholestech LDX system is a fast, easy, and accurate diagnostic system that aids the healthcare professional in assessing and monitoring coronary heart disease and diabetes. Using a small blood sample from a finger stick and an innovative measuring device, the Alere Cholestech LDX system measures or calculates the analytes or values listed here in approximately 5 minutes. Part 1. System Overview. The Alere Cholestech LDX system uses reflectance photometry to measure the concentration of blood analytes such as cholesterol or glucose. The analyzer is easy to use and can be operated by pressing the 3 buttons and following the instructions on the LCD screen. The Run button opens the cassette drawer and starts a test after the cassette is inserted. It also resets the analyzer to prepare for the next test. The Data button allows the user to view the last reported results and to obtain any calculated results. The Stop button closes the cassette drawer at the end of a testing period and allows you to interrupt a test that is in progress. The Alere Cholestech LDX system uses disposable single-use test cassettes that have 2 parts, the main body and the reaction bar. The main body contains the sample well, where the blood sample or control is dispensed, and the brown magnetic stripe. Once the sample is dispensed, it flows through the center glass, which separates out the red blood cells. The plasma is then transferred to the reaction bar to test specific biochemical reactions. Within minutes, the white pads on the reaction bar change color. This color change is read by the analyzer and interpreted into a result. The brown magnetic stripe is read by the analyzer and provides information on the type of cassette, the product expiration date, and cassette calibration. Avoid touching the brown magnetic stripe and the reaction bar. Part 2. System Setup. The Alere Cholestech LDX system is shipped in a specially designed packing box, which protects the system from damage during shipping. Alere recommends storing the analyzer and printer boxes and using them for future shipment needs. Before you begin testing, be sure to have the appropriate blood collection and infection control supplies available, as suggested in the CDC's Universal Precaution Guidelines. In addition to your analyzer and test cassettes, you will need the following items that come with your Alere Cholestech LDX system: lancets for capillary blood collection, Alere Cholestech LDX capillary tubes, Alere Cholestech LDX plungers, and mini-PET pipette and tips for running quality control material or venous samples. You will also need the following items that are not included with your Alere Cholestech LDX system: alcohol swabs and gauze, quality control material, medical gloves, biohazard waste containers, vacuum collection tubes, needles, and tube holder if sample is to be collected by venipuncture. For venipuncture samples, please refer to the package insert for the appropriate type of vacuum collection tube. The Alere Cholestech LDX system works best in a normal, comfortable environment. The system should be used at room temperature between 68 and 87 degrees or 20 and 31 degrees Celsius in a dry location between 20% and 80% relative humidity and away from direct heat. It should always be operated on a stable, tabletop surface protected from direct sunlight and free of instruments that may shake or vibrate, such as a centrifuge. There are several features of the Alere Cholestech LDX analyzer, and we recommend you become familiar with all of its features. In order to upgrade the software of your analyzer, you will need to replace the ROM pack. Be sure you disconnect the analyzer from the power source. Then remove the clip before removing the ROM pack. Failure to disconnect the power source before removing the ROM pack could render the analyzer inoperable. When using the optional printer to record results, plug the printer cable into the printer port just above the ROM pack.